If your iPhone 14 is frozen and cannot be powered off normally, you may need to force restart it. Here's how. Press and release the volume up button. Then, press and release the volume down button. Quickly press and hold down the side button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will now reboot, hopefully resolving the issue that required a force restart. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.